Hello YouTube, welcome to another tutorial from How Tools. Today we will be settling our summonses online with MyEg website. So for those of you who want to know, PDRM will be giving a 50% discounts on PDRM traffic summonses if you are paying on 18th to 21st of May. So due to this, we will be settling our summonses. So to settle your summonses online with the MyEg, you will first need to create an account with MyEg website. So creating an account with MyEg is a very simple process. So after you have created your account, log in to MyEg website. Okay, on the website there are several types of summonses you can settle with MyEg. The first one will be the JPG summons, and the second one will be the PDRM summonses. So for this case, we will be settling the summons with PDRM. So click on the PDRM to proceed. So once you're in the PDRM page, there are a few ways which you can search for your summonses. The first one is IC number, passport number, company registration number, or the vehicle number. So for this case, I will be using the IC number to search for any summonses that is attached to this IC number. Enter the specific IC number, enter the CAPTCHA, click on check summons. So I am able to see the name of the IC and the total summons for this IC. So other details such as vehicle number, where the summons is issued, summons number, or the photo of the evidence is also attached to the summons. Okay, to settle the summons, click on the checkbox to select the summons that you want to settle. Click proceed. Okay, you will be able to see the total amount that you need to settle. So bear in mind that there is a charge by MyEg for the services. So to settle the summonses, click proceed to payment. So you can use the FPX or you can use the credit card to settle your summonses with MyEg. Click on the bank that you want to pay with. Next, click proceed. You will be redirected to your bank page. So enter your user ID and password. Next, click on request tag, which will be sent to your phone. Enter the tag number and proceed with the payment to MyEg. Okay, your payment statement will then be displayed on MyEg website. You will have the options to print or save the receipt. Do hit the like and subscribe button if the video has been informational. Thank you for watching.